Yo, what's up guys? In the following 3 minutes, I will reveal the secret to make a passive income with Amazon FBA, so make sure to watch until the end of the video. We guarantee you will make money. We will start with market research, product research and implementing our secret method. After conducting some research, I found this cashmere sandals for women. These are going viral right now. As you can see, these products are the first ones to pop up. Let's just click on the first one. You have to make sure that you implement the bullet point system in your product description. This will increase your conversion rate. Then, one of the most important aspects, the reviews. So make sure that your product is high quality. Here we have some bad reviews as well. That shows that this product has some aspects that could be improved on, product-wise or service-wise. Make sure that you improve at what the customers have to say about the product. Here we have another product. This is a very nice example of a good description that uses the bullet point principle and also has a bold font weight. Also, these images are very high quality as well. The description they provide underneath these images are very good as well. You may think that this is not so important, but this is actually what makes or breaks your success on Amazon. And the absolute monster of a product, the toilet paper. Look at those reviews, they have achieved full 5 stars. So it cleans your ass easily and wipes it all, bro.
But I don't use paper, I just stand up.
Bro, don't be like this geek. As you can see, if you were to sell this product, you could definitely improve on the description and add a bold font weight, which will lead to more sales. Also, always try to sell cheaper products than your competition. You can do this by negotiating with your supplier, finding an alternative, or lowering your profit margin. Also, always try to sell cheaper products than your competition. You can do this by negotiating with your supplier, finding an alternative, or lowering your profit margin. But it will even out because you sell at a higher volume. Now, Amazon FBA. The nice thing about selling on Amazon is that you can outsource the logistics and shipment of your product. This will give you more time on product research and other businesses, so make sure to consider it. Also, using Amazon ads will heavily improve your sales. As you saw earlier, the first products that pop out are sponsored products, which means the seller makes use of Amazon ads. This will simply said put your listing higher and improve your conversion rate. And the secret you have all been waiting for this whole time. You have to start right now. Take immediate action because the amount of people who take action right now and are making money are ever increasing. If you don't start right now, the amount of competition will get too high and the chances of you staying a dork will increase, bro. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like. We are the Profit Hackers and we will see you soon. Stay tuned for our next videos, bro.